Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, convenience in the kitchen has become paramount, and the quest for efficient and space-saving appliances has led to the rise of compact yet powerful devices. Among these culinary innovations, the mini rice cooker stands out as a game-changer, promising the perfect balance between functionality, space efficiency, and ease of use. Whether you're a solo dweller, a busy professional, or someone with limited kitchen space, the best mini rice cooker serves as an indispensable tool, offering the convenience of preparing perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Zojirushi. The Zojirushi NS-TSC-18 rice cooker is presented as an ideal solution for individuals and families seeking an efficient and hassle-free way to cook perfect rice dishes. This affordable and reliable kitchen appliance boasts features such as a sturdy steam tray, delay timer, and a keep warm function, ensuring consistently well-cooked rice batches. Notably, it can keep cooked rice warm for up to 12 hours, offering convenience for advanced preparation. The non-stick inner pan facilitates easy cleaning and prevents sticking and burning during the cooking process. The inclusion of a measuring cup ensures accurate measurements for water and other ingredients. On number 4, NutriBullet. NutriBullet's every-grain cooker is praised for its versatile functionality, particularly as a rice cooker with additional features for various grains. The article highlights its presets for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and oats, streamlining the cooking process with precise measurements, pre-programmed temperature, and cooking times. The cooker also includes a steaming basket for preparing fish, veggies, dumplings, and more simultaneously, reducing cooking time. Other features mentioned include a delay start button for programmed cooking later in the day and a keep warm function to maintain food temperature until serving. On number 3, Tashiba rice cooker. The Tashiba rice cooker, featuring a 6-cup uncooked capacity, 3L, is reviewed in depth with information on its pros and cons, customer reviews, a comparison table with other Japanese rice cookers, and details on product specifications, cooking options, accessories, cleaning instructions, replacement parts, instructions manual, and warranty information. The review emphasizes the smart fuzzy logic technology incorporated into the cooker. The article also addresses the brand reputation of Tashiba as a rice cooker manufacturer, exploring whether Tashiba is considered a good brand in this category. On number 2, Green Pan. The Green Pan stainless steel healthy cooker is a culinary powerhouse equipped with innovative features that redefine the cooking experience. At the core of its functionality is the Thermalin Volt, a ceramic non-stick coating specially engineered to endure the demands of modern appliances. This diamond-infused ceramic non-stick not only exhibits exceptional toughness but also facilitates easy cleaning, promising a healthier cooking process for every meal. A notable highlight of the Green Pan healthy cooker is its commitment to safety. On number 1, Instant 20-Cup Rice Cooker. The Instant 20-Cup Rice Cooker and Grain Multi-Cooker promise effortless perfection in grain cooking with its 8-in-1 functionality. This versatile kitchen appliance not only cooks various grains, quinoa, and more but also offers features like slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and keeping warm. The standout carb-reducing technology allows for up to 40% fewer carbs and sugars in rice without compromising taste or texture. The user-friendly design includes 8 preset cooking options, level marks for easy measurement, and a convenient keep-warm feature lasting up to 10 hours. Cleanup is made easy with dishwasher-safe components, and the sleek design adds elegance to any countertop. In conclusion, the search for the best mini rice cooker brings us to a compact yet powerful category of kitchen appliances that redefine convenience. After exploring various options, it becomes evident that the ideal mini rice cooker should seamlessly blend versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly features. Each contender in the mini rice cooker realm presents unique advantages, catering to the needs of solo dwellers, busy professionals, or those with limited kitchen space. So guys, this was the video about the best mini rice cooker. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.